Grillbot Automatic Grill Cleaning Robot. The Grillbot Automatic Grill Cleaning Robot takes the hassle out of cleaning your grill. Featuring nylon brushes and a powerful motor, this innovative gadget cleans your grill grates without any effort on your part. Simply place it on the grill, hit start, and let it scrub away stubborn grease, grime, and char. The 3 spinning brushes provide a deep clean, allowing you to cook healthier, cleaner meals. Perfect for outdoor grilling, the Grillbot makes post-barbecue cleanups a breeze. It's easy to use with a push-button start, LCD timer, and alarm that beeps when done. The Grillbot is also an ideal gift for barbecue enthusiasts, whether it's for Father's Day, birthdays, or Christmas. Focus on enjoying time with your family and friends while Grillbot handles the dirty work. This hands-free tool allows you to sit back and relax after grilling, making it a must-have for grill masters everywhere. Electric pruning shears. These electric pruning shears are a gardener's dream, cutting branches up to 1.57 inches thick with ease. Powered by a brushless motor and SK5 high-carbon steel blade, this tool ensures flat and fast pruning, promoting healthier plants. With 2 rechargeable 21-volt batteries, you can work for up to 8 hours on a single charge, pruning over 1,000 branches. Lightweight at less than 2 pounds, it's perfect for both men and women, eliminating the need for heavy chainsaws or manual loppers. Safety features include a double trigger system to minimize accidents and adjustable blade openings. Ideal for orchards, gardens, and farms, this tool will revolutionize your pruning routine. Pocket Hole Jig Kit. The HOWOD Pocket Hole Jig Kit is a professional-grade tool designed for fast, accurate wood joinery. Its durable all-metal construction, combined with hardened steel drilling sleeves, ensures precise and consistent results. Whether you're a novice or pro, the easy adjustment feature, marked in both imperial and metric, allows for quick setup and flawless pocket holes. The kit includes multiple drill bits and accessories, making it versatile for various project needs, from cabinetry to furniture assembly. With no need for complex measuring, this jig speeds up the assembly process, delivering professional results every time. It's a game-changer for woodworking projects, offering durability, accuracy, and ease of use. DEKOPRO Hand Tool Kit. The DEKOPRO Hand Tool Kit is a comprehensive solution for all your home repair and DIY needs. Forged from high-quality steel and finished with high-polished chrome, these tools are built to last with strength, durability, and corrosion resistance. The set includes everything from wrenches and ratchets to pliers, hammers, and precision screwdrivers, perfect for handymen, mechanics, or anyone working on small repairs. The 72-tooth ratchet allows for easy directional changes, while the soft grip handles provide comfort and control. Housed in a sturdy blow-molded case, it's easy to carry and store, making it ideal for both home and professional use. With a sleek design and reliable construction, this kit is a must-have. Construction Pencil. The Construction Pencil is a compact, multi-purpose marking tool designed to enhance accuracy across a variety of projects. With a durable aluminum alloy build, it features adjustable settings for creating parallel lines and arcs effortlessly. Its versatility shines with over 15 applications, from tiling to paneling, and it conveniently locks into place for stable, precise marking. I've found this pencil to be a great asset for both small and large projects. Its lightweight, pocket-sized design makes it easy to carry around, while the visible scale allows for quick, accurate measurements. Whether marking for furniture or infill panels, it handles each task with ease. The belt clip is a thoughtful addition for accessibility on the go. If you're looking for a reliable marking tool, this construction pencil's versatility and quality make it an invaluable companion in any project. Sharp MK2. The Sharp MK2 takes knife and tool sharpening to a new level with its upgraded 2-speed motor and flexible belts. From lawnmower blades and axes to serrated kitchen knives, this sharpener handles it all. The belts conform to any edge, making it easy to sharpen outdoor tools, scissors, and more with precision. What sets the MK2 apart is its user-friendly design. The edge guide provides consistent support, making it easy to sharpen to the tip with accuracy. The 2-speed motor offers control for heavy-duty grinding and lighter tasks, while the build quality assures lasting reliability. Backed by a 3-year warranty and engineered in Oregon, it's a solid investment for those serious about maintaining sharp tools. Whether for home or professional use, the MK2 simplifies sharpening and delivers outstanding results every time. Self-defense pen. The Tactical Pen MTP6 is a practical, multifunctional tool, perfect for anyone looking to enhance their everyday carry with a reliable self-defense option. Crafted from durable aircraft-grade aluminum, this pen combines a smooth writing ballpoint with a tough tungsten carbide glass breaker, ready to shatter a window in an emergency. It's not just for self-defense. The MTP6 is also equipped with an LED flashlight, screwdriver, and bottle opener. Everything you might need in an unexpected situation. The pen includes thoughtful bonuses: 3 extra ink cartridges, a generous 4 sets of batteries, and an online self-defense class to increase your preparedness. Despite its rugged construction, the pen feels light and comfortable in hand, and it's also water-resistant for added resilience. This pen is a discreet yet highly effective tool that's easy to carry and can be a lifesaver. It's a per-gift idea who value both practicality and peace of mind. DEWALT 20V Max Cordless Drill. The DEWALT 20V Max Cordless Drill is a game-changer for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Its compact, lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver, even in tight spaces, while the high-performance motor delivers 300 UWO of power, providing all the force you need for both light and heavy-duty tasks. With 2 speed settings, 0 to 450 and 1500 RPM, it covers a range of applications, from simple home repairs to tougher outdoor projects. When I first tried this drill, I was amazed at how effortlessly it handled different materials, all without draining the battery quickly. The 1/2-inch single-sleeve ratcheting chuck ensures a tight grip on drill bits, and the ergonomic handle makes it comfortable for extended use. Right out of the box, it was ready to work, and it's since become an essential part of my toolkit. If you need a reliable, powerful drill, this DEWALT model is a fantastic investment. Ego Power Plus Leaf Blower. The Ego Power Plus LB6504 leaf blower is a powerhouse for yard maintenance, offering impressive performance in a cordless design. With a turbo button delivering 650 CFM at speeds up to 180 mph, this blower makes quick work of leaves and debris. The variable speed dial, ranging from 225 CFM to 470 CFM, gives you ultimate control over your cleanup tasks, allowing for precision when needed. One of my favorite features is the long run time. You can enjoy up to 90 minutes on a single charge with the included 56-volt 5.0-hour ARC lithium battery. This means more time blowing and less time worrying about battery life. The high-efficiency brushless motor adds durability and performance, while the IPX4 weather-resistant construction ensures it can withstand the elements. At a noise level of just 64 dB, it's quieter than many traditional gas blowers, making it a considerate choice for residential areas. If you're in need of a reliable, efficient leaf blower, the Ego Power Plus is an excellent option. Drill Brush Attachment. The Drill Brush Attachment Kit transforms your cordless drill into a powerful cleaning tool. Featuring 3 different sized medium stiffness nylon brushes, this kit is perfect for tackling tough grime in the bathroom, on tubs, sinks, and even porcelain surfaces. The nylon bristles won't scratch, making it safe to use on delicate materials like fiberglass shower enclosures and shower door tracks. Each brush is equipped with a 1/4-inch quick change shaft, making it easy to swap out brushes as you move through various cleaning tasks. This versatile kit is compatible with most cordless drills, not included, giving you flexibility for any cleaning job. Backed by a 90-day satisfaction guarantee, Drill Brush offers full refunds or replacements if you're not completely satisfied. Whether you're deep cleaning your bathroom or tidying up around the house, this attachment kit makes the job faster and easier with professional-level results. Multitool Pocket Knife. The Multitool Pocket Knife is an all-in-one solution for daily tasks and outdoor adventures. Equipped with a sharp blade, pliers, bottle opener, can opener, and a 9-in-1 screwdriver kit, it's crafted from durable stainless steel and coated in sleek black oxidation. The 2024 upgrade reinforces the handle for durability and adds a safer locking mechanism for secure handling. This portable tool is ideal for camping, hiking, or everyday repairs, and comes with a sturdy nylon pouch, allowing it to be carried conveniently on any outing. The multi-tool makes an excellent gift for loved ones, especially those who appreciate practical, unique gadgets. Complete with a customer satisfaction guarantee, it's a handy, reliable tool that's ready for anything. Stinger Car Emergency Tool. The Stinger Car Emergency Tool is a lifesaver and a daily use device all in one. Designed as a phone charger, it plugs directly into your car, keeping it accessible in case of emergencies. The spring-loaded glass breaker can quickly shatter a car's side windows in urgent situations, allowing easy escape when needed. Additionally, it includes a razor-sharp seatbelt cutter, enabling you to free yourself swiftly if trapped. The Stinger also doubles as a dual USB charger, with safety certifications and protections against short circuits, overheating, and overcharging, making it a reliable companion for every drive. Patented and CE certified, the Stinger blends practicality with safety, making it an essential in-car tool for any driver. From the power-packed DEWALT cordless drill to the life-saving Ztylus Stinger emergency tool, each of these gadgets adds a little magic to your everyday tasks. Whether you're building, fixing, pruning, or just staying prepared, these Amazon tools prove that function and innovation can fit right in your hand. If even one of these tools made you go, "Whoa, I need that," you're not alone. I've added half of them to my own kit. Now it's your turn. What's your must-have tool you can't live without? Drop it in the comments. I'm always on the hunt for the next great gadget. And hey, if this helped you discover something new, give it a like, save it for later, or share it with someone who's always tinkering with their tools.